Here you go. Stop!
Help support the companies that support our community.
Doing all the work. Maybe.
There we go. We got the bowl done. It's maple and it's 9 inches across and 6 inches tall. And this is a piece of wood we got from Mark down in Albany. Thank you so much, Mark. It is just a beautiful piece of maple. And believe it or not, this is Hayden's first bowl he's worked on. He's turned a lot of things, but never done a bowl like this. So he did the outside and then I cleaned out most of the inside. So it was a collab project and it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So the reason Hayden isn't out in the shop with me much turning is because you're into
Robotics and engineering, more 3D printers and that type of thing.
he does a lot of that stuff. Yeah.
Ever since the shutdown happened, I've been printing off mask shops that the school sent us home, a few of us home with 3D printers.
Yeah. And so we got a little CNC machine, and I, being the age I am, needed a lot of help getting it all set up. And so Hayden, we spent the whole weekend out here setting up the CNC machine and the programming on it and everything. And yeah, so I still need a lot of help, but I really appreciate it. But yeah, we'll get some projects going where we can utilize that thing too. But that's a lot of fun. But
Yeah.
appreciate it. You ready to do another bowl?
Yeah.
All right. All right. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next week.
And action.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, and go. Come on.
You guys are so funny.